In this video, I would like to show you how to create a title preset. Okay, so to start with, we're going to press Ctrl T to activate our basic title. And you can see the title there. We need to go to this icon, this tab, and click that. This is where we can change our title, what we want. So we can put Ireland. We can change the font to what we like. We can just try some things. The impact may be very good. We can adjust the size of the text, make it a bit bigger, and maybe the tracking to make it a little bit wider. It's looking very nice. The issue is you don't want to do this every time if you find that you like the text and it works well for your videos. So you want to save it as a preset so you can use it easily next time. So we're going to change the color by going into face here and just click that, and we'll change it to red. Red is not ideal for this video. We'll change it to green, okay? It looks terrible, but for the sake of this video, I think it's a good example. So just say we're happy with that text. We want to keep it as a preset. So now you've got it like that. You like it. We click this bit here where it says normal, okay? And then we go to save all format and appearance attributes. So we click that. We give it a name. So we'll put green text. It's impact, right? So we can put that if we want to. Impact. Okay, so now that is saved, that is in here. We'll just use it again for over here. Control T, activate our basic title. We won't have to go through all that again because we use our preset. So what we do, we click our title and go to green impact, green text impact. And there we go. It's as simple as that, my friends. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for listening. Please consider subscribing and helping this channel grow on YouTube. And I'll see you in another video very soon. Have a great week. Peace.